and welcome back. Guess what? We are back and we're up and running. So it's been a little hiatus for us. Last you probably saw us, we were in Italy, making our way across through France, Spain and then Portugal, ready for our rally with our rally group that we were hosting in Towbar, Portugal. Unfortunately, we had a death in the family and it meant that I flew home unexpectedly and rather quickly. And that's where we've been really since May. So we've had a little time off, and thank you for everybody that's asked us what we're doing, what we're up to, why there's no more videos. And we are back on the road again. And where are we, you might ask? Well, where we are is we're in France. And the reason being is that while we were at home doing a lot of sorting out and discussions, etc., we wondered, what are we going to be doing? Shall we upgrade the van? Shall we buy a new van? Or shall we just keep Lilibet, which we love, absolutely love, and do some modifications? And so that is what we've decided to do. So today we are in France and we have come to Yo Remorques to buy a trailer. So we've had it on order, it's ready, and they're fitting the tow bar and putting the last bits of the trailer together, ready for our new trike. So we've bought a new electric trike. Do you want to tell me?
We have indeed.
Do you want to tell people what it is?
I'd like to keep that as a surprise because
Okay.
I'd like to do a separate video on that said trike.
Okay.
But we'll show you pictures of it on the trailer and the trailer itself, and I'll probably do two different videos, one for the bike, one for the trailer, and also one of the, and all together just to show what we've done. The main reason for doing it is we wanted to get the trike out of the garage, and it's quite heavy to sort of like keep getting in and out, and I'm not getting any younger, so we decided to get it out of the garage and put it on the trailer. And because we've kept Lilibet, and that's exactly what we're going to do, we decided to treat her to a trailer, didn't we?
We did, and it also means that I can get easy access to the chairs and the tables and things and the washing machine, because at the moment it's everything out, everything back in, and the bike always takes priority. And the bike, and if we want to stop somewhere quickly and hop on the bike, we can't, can we? Because we have to empty the whole boot.
No, that's right.
To get it out.
Yeah.
So we've decided to, that's one of the upgrades that we've done. There's lots of other upgrades that we've doing, and we'll film those as we come across them and let you know. But for now, let me show you Yo Remorques. Lilibet, look, is over the pit inside the unit, which you probably can't see. And they've had her since 8 o'clock this morning. It's currently 1:30. And they very kindly lent us this van, and we've been into Vitré. And there's loads of medieval stuff here. So we're going to go around the chateau, and we're going to look at all of the buildings, and it looks great. So far, so good. We're parked in the station car park, €3.60 for the day. There's the chateau just there in the distance. But
We're going to have a look at the historic castle. People that watch our videos are missing a castle.
yeah, I know, because let's face it, we do love another bloody castle.
Yes,
So
we do.
let's go adventurising for the first time in 4 months.
This is the lovely town of Vitré, Centre Historique.
We've just passed the most amazing little row of shops, all medieval, and a little restaurant just outside. Here it is here. This is where we plan to go and have a little mooch around after we've done the medieval chateau. It's going to cost cash. What's the matter with you? Wow, can you imagine?
During that moment, I've seen a lot of dead.
Oh, the sheep up there, look. Brilliant.
There's the black sheep of the family, look. Oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh, oh my God, that made me jump so bad. Sorry. Oh, there's more down in the...
Yeah, I know, underneath you.
There, look. And we're going to go in this way where you have to present your ticket. It's automatic barrier by the sounds of things. This is the living quarters and the tower here. And then you work your way around out here, and then here's the church, look. So we'll end up there. But it looks like they've had a big event here or something, because there's lots of straw outside. Look, we've got tents up, that kind of stuff. So here we go. For those people that have missed us, here's another bloody castle.
Another bloody castle.
To enter, scan your ticket. You ready? Tone? Tone? So we've just descended the turret from the top to the bottom, and we've come out here, which is the little walkway across the courtyard.
Yeah. It's not across the courtyard, is it? It's across the battlements.
Which is a bit brisk. Oh.
It's got to be a toilet, right?
I don't know, but somebody's put a 5-bar gate up there, look. Oh, it's a pigeon nesting, Tone. Look, Tone. She's on her nest.
What's happening here? Someone's sharing a sheep.
Look at that, the pigeon's on the nest.
It's the Holy Grail.
It isn't, we've seen the Holy
There's
Grail.
another Holy Grail, and another one, and another one. And another one. There's loads of Holy Grails.
Well, look at that cuff, what's that about? The clock tower, the highest tower of the castle, collapsed in on itself in 1825. So this Magdalen Tower, this one, was built in 1420. Well, we are now currently in Boulogne-sur-Mer. So yesterday we left Yo Concepts for the Remorques trailer, and we went and stayed in a great little place just southwest of Alencon at a place called Saint-Paul-le-Gaultier, which was a camping car park site, really lovely. We drove quite a long way just the day before, so we just drove an hour and a half, pitched up at the car parks. We didn't get away actually from the concept place until about 4:30 in the evening. What a great job they've done. So Tony, how did your trailer perform since we've driven it back from Yo Remorques?
It's performed outstandingly.
Has it?
Yeah, really, really happy with it. I haven't taken the bike off it yet though.
No.
Because they only showed me the once and I've kind of forgotten, so I need to...
RTFM, Tony.
There is no FM.
Oh.
So I need to probably have a little look.
Okay.
And see what the score is. I think I can remember because I think I took some instructions on a video on my phone. So
yeah. Smashing. Right, well, we're going to put another cover on it because the forecast is for rain. So we're just going to strip this one off, which is our old bike cover for Charles, the Coco, City Coco, and we're going to put on a tarpaulin that we've got and just fasten that up.
Look at this. Look, it's beautiful and sunny, and then we get back to the UK, and it's going to be chucking it down with rain. So we've got to,
cover it up.
So
okay.
it doesn't get wet.
So we got the cover off. Everything's on. Everything looks like it's stayed completely in place since we left Yo Remorques. So we're going to put another cover on it because when we get back to the UK tomorrow, it's siling down with rain, and obviously being an electric bike, we don't really want the components to get wet. So we're just going to now put something over it. We've got a proper cover coming when we get back to the UK, but we're just going to use a tarpaulin for now. Let's see how we get on.